For this project you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester. Some soft lining fabric for the gusset. The fold-over elastic. The elastic for the straps. The rings and the sliders, and my rings and sliders are 10 mm, the same as my elastic. The threads. Some needles to pin the fabric. The scissors. The lighter. The piece of chalk to outline the pattern. And the pattern, you'll find the link in the description box below. Fold your fabric in half. On top of the fold, place the pattern. Outline everything with the piece of chalk and after cut it off. On top of the gusset, place the mesh element face to each other. Then grab the lining fabric and with the right side down, place it on top. Pin this place with the needles. Grab the front element and face to face place it on top of the mesh. Grab the second layer of the front element and with the face up place it under. Pin this place with the needles as well. Open the gusset this way, then grab the back element and place it face to face on top of the main gusset fabric. Roll the elements the same way like you see me doing here. After, grab the lining fabric and place it on top. Pin this place with the needles. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here, and here. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Grab the scissors and cut off the leftover of the threads. After, eliminate the leftover of the threads with the lighter. Do the same on the other side. Grab the fold over elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. In this place here and here, keep the free space of the elastic, I'll say around 2-3 centimeters, to sew on the rings later. This is the fold over elastic, and you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. Now, grab the fabric and place the fabric in the middle of the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and after sew here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric. You stretch a little bit only the elastic. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Do exactly the same on the other side. Fold the elastic this way and start to sew here without any fabric inside. Then grab the fabric and place it in the middle of the elastic. And continue sewing. When you come close to the end, keep sewing the elastic for 2-3 centimeters more. This is what I meant by saying keep the free space of the elastic. Do the same with the back element. Now it's time to prepare the straps. For this you will need the ruler, the rings and the sliders, and the elastic. Check the amount of the centimeters according to your pattern and cut the elastic. Cut 2 straps like this. Grab the lighter and burn the ends of the elastic. Grab the slider and put the elastic inside. Do the same with the other strap. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object like a slider under your needle. Grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads. Grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Take the end of the elastic and put it inside of the slider. Next, grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Do the same with the other strap. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. Now grab the strap and put the elastic of the panties inside of the ring. Pin it with the needle. Do the same on the other side. Turn the panties on the opposite side. Do the same with the back element. Go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have the needles. Here and here. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic.